The following Husqvarna push mower had a loud noise coming from the bottom end when it was in neutral. So while I went to replace the blade, I noticed the hub assembly had a worn out bearing. So the old bearing was very loud and worn out, and so when it was in neutral, it had this really large metal sound. And this bearing is a 2RS, so it's R14 2RS, and it was about $7 from Amazon. This piece here were very hard to find. I did find it on repairclinic.com. It was like $76, and it was going to take another month to get in. So I didn't order it there, but I noticed there are 4 screws at the bottom, and this is Torx number 30. You take these 4 out, and you can tap out the old bearing. And for $7, you can rebuild this hub and save you quite a bit of money. So now we're going to put the belt back underneath, the drive belt, put all this back together, and it should be nice and quiet.